I was only focused on the money. All I wanted was the money. All I wanted was the success. And when I acquired that, when I got that and I lost everything, I realized that I needed to have the balance in my life, that I worked so much. I was working like 60 to 80 hours per week, just trying to make this happen. I wasn't taking care of myself personally. I wasn't going to church. I wasn't hanging around with my friends. I wasn't spending time with my family. So the moment that I lost everything, I realized that, wow, I need to have that balance in my life when if something were to happen to me, if I were to lose everything again, I don't think back that I just wasted 5 years of my life just trying to accomplish something. And from that moment on, that's when I said, you know what, I need to live life to the fullest. Let me live my life to the fullest. Let me accomplish all my childhood dreams. Let me focus into the lifestyle that I want to have versus into the money that I want to acquire.